What's going on, people? Back to make another video. It's going to be a pretty simple one. Just trying out some new things. So I got this mint brown. I've seen it. I want to use it. So make a simple color to shoot my new molds. And I figured I'd add some diamond green 222 pearl powder to it, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. And then I got some new super flakes in from Did Spade. And I want to try this spike punch. So we can see what it kind of looks like. Got some others in, but I don't think I want to. These are just like samplers. So I think I'm going to go with the spike punch because I've been wanting to use this one for a while now. We'll see how it works out. I might throw a little bit of black in there too. Guess we'll see. You got the plastisol heating up now. Already drew vacuum on it. And we should be good to go. So let's see how this works out. It's hot, but not hot enough, that's for sure. At 340. Should be good enough to start adding some colors. But I want to heat it up, make sure I at least get to 350, if not 360. In the meantime, I'm just going to probably throw some 040 flake in it if I have to, but I just kind of want to do a demo on this color too because it's really cool. You get the brown and then it goes to green. It's just another nice and easy shift color. I don't even know what to start with, so we'll go straight to 20 drops. Sounds like a good starting spot to me. For 1 cup of plastic. This is Bait Plastics 242. I think that was 20. Oh no, I was too busy looking at the cameras. Might have been 10. Who knows? Oh wow, you can really see that brown. And then you see the green. I guess that's a good starting point. This cup is so full. Might be a little bit more than a cup, but I really don't care for these cheap wannabe Pyrexes from Walmart. I guess they work, but that's if you're not putting the full amount in it or whatnot. So anyway, let's throw some of this green in there, the diamond green pearl powder. You can see that it's pretty amazing. If the camera would focus on it, it would be nice. Anyway, I don't know how much to put in, so I'm gonna start with a 30-second. This is a 64. Oh wow, it's like little diamonds in there. I think I'm gonna have to add some more. It gives you a really nice green. Look to it. You know what? I don't even think I'm going to use super shift flakes. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this and then I'm going to shoot it because I think it'll look good. So I guess that's a heaping 16th altogether, I imagine. But I feel like I need something for texture. If you could see through it, if it's transparent. But oh wow, that looks really cool. Oops. Yeah, so I'll heat this up and come back and shoot, and we should be good to go. All right, so the gloves up here around 350. Guess we'll see how this turns out. Looks really cool. So I'm not gonna lie, I did shoot this last night with that blue crawl, and I did not hold pressure very long on any of them. So I did notice some denting. This one just got a weird sprue. That Jacobs one, it's like it's too small. Oops. So, oh come on. Well, that first one definitely didn't shoot. Hey, I bet you can call this a green crawl recipe if you wanted to. So I'm only gonna get those shot right now. Um, got a little warm, a little cool, and not to mention, kind of ran out of plastic. I'll find it more enjoyable not to shoot on camera. Maybe that's because it's easier. So anyway, I'm gonna come back and heat this up, and then I'm gonna shoot the 3-inch probate since that's the one I missed. What's going on, people? So I guess we're back to see what we got going on in here. Oops. I don't know which one to open up first. Guess we're gonna open up the 3.5 drop shot leech. Oh wow. I really like that color. Wow. All little diamonds in there. Fancy looking. This bait is gonna kill him. 3.5-inch drop shot leech from Epic Bait Molds. That looks awesome. I went ahead and shot these 6-inch finesse worms too because why not? I realize I don't have many worm molds. I mean, I do have like the bot worm and the curly turtle, but those are all like open pores. I don't know, I'm a sucker. I think that looks amazing. When you lift it up, you can see right through it. I did not, I ran out of plastic because I decided to shoot the worms. So this is probably one or two cavities that didn't fill out, but this is the 3-inch epic prey bait. Well, I guess 3 of them turned out. I mean, that looks really good with that green diamond, like pearl flake from Lure-Works. All right, so I guess we'll get to the Jacob's chunk trailer, 2 1/4 or whatever the hell it is. And this shot pretty good. Do you see some denting on this one, on the top one? But other than that, let me get these dimples under here. Maybe they're supposed to be that way because that's where about where you put the hook through. I'm not sure. Either way, they should work. Last but not least, the 3.3 sleigh bait from Epic Bait Molds. Of course, my favorite. This cavity did not fill. Like I had one of these boogers off the top here get stuck. Maybe it did fill, but we'll see if it's got air in the nose. Nope, it did. It filled all the way. So I only shot 2 of these with the hook slot because more than likely I'll be using on a jig or like a chatterbait trailer. And I want to see how it works with the hook slot, even with the jig head in it. But that is a beautiful bait right there. Yeah, so I guess the mint brown is definitely a go-getter for me. I could throw this all day with confidence. Definitely got to put some kind of flake in it. At least black, I think. But man, they feel solid when you don't have that hook slot in it. Just absolutely beautiful bait. Let's take one more look at these leeches. Man, those things in this 242 are super jiggly. So I think we did 20 drops of the mint brown from Lure-Works. This here. And did like a heaping, I want to say 16th of the diamond green 222. And that's, yeah, basically that's all that's in this. Real simple build. I'm happy with it. This would make like a good green pumpkin color, honestly. The brown. And throw a little bit of purple flake in there, some black. Maybe a couple drops of brown. That the green pumpkin brown I have from Bay Plastics would do good in there. But man, these things shot amazing. Oh well, I hope you guys have a great night and have a good start to your week. Whatever you're doing, whether you're working, whether you're on vacation, whether you're a full-time YouTuber, which I'll never be because I don't even consider myself a YouTuber. I'm just making these videos as I'm making my baits. But I do appreciate all y'all checking it out and giving me feedback. I have been trying to get some better quality videos and audio, but as of right now, it's a pretty steep learning curve for the environment I'm in. Like if I had like a set up studio place, I think I'd be able to dial it in real quick. But honestly, I'm not all that worried about it. Amazing looking baits. Don't sleep on epic bait molds, guys. I know they're expensive when you start looking at it, but honestly, I haven't ever got anything that wasn't worth the money. And don't worry about getting everything all at once, because that's not going to happen. I mean, I've been doing this over a year, and I've been very fortunate enough to be able to purchase the molds I have. But honestly, another main reason why I'm posting these videos is so you can see what the baits look like, so you can really choose which ones that you feel that you're going to use and which ones are going to catch you fish, or if you're trying to make them to sell them, whatever ones you think people are going to buy. So no right and wrong way to do it, honestly, but I figure putting these videos out there, especially even on the colors and the glitters and stuff, this stuff's not cheap. It adds up. So, but anyway, I do appreciate you guys checking this out, and I have been enjoying this experience. I think it's been a little over 2 months now, and I appreciate all the feedback, and just generally the community's been great. So anyway, take it easy. Have a good week. Peace.